This is why you need the ultimate gaming rig for 2025. Power, performance, and jaw-dropping design. At the heart of our beastly build is the Asus ROG Strix Z790 motherboard. It's all about top-tier performance and future-proofing. And paired with the Intel Core i9-13900K processor, you've got the power to tackle 4K gaming, streaming, and multitasking like a pro. Need epic graphics? The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU is here to blow your mind with stunning visuals and seamless gameplay. Storage? We've got you covered with a blazing fast 1TB Samsung 980 Pro SSD, and a spacious 2TB Seagate Barracuda HDD. Say goodbye to loading screens and storage woes. And to keep it all cool during those intense gaming marathons, the Corsair iCUE H150i Elite Capellix liquid cooler does the job perfectly. Powering this monster is the rock-solid Corsair RM1000X PSU, all housed in the sleek NZXT H510 Elite case. With customizable RGB lighting, your setup will look as stunning as it performs. Ready for the upgrade of a lifetime? This is the gaming PC you've been dreaming of.